Guys, the iPhone Fold could be Apple's most revolutionary iPhone ever, but how much of it is actually real and how much is just hype? Today, we're verifying the latest leaks using trusted sources like Mac rumors and reports from Mark Gurman. Let's start with the design, because this is where Apple is expected to stand out. According to multiple reports, Apple is going with a book-style foldable design, meaning it opens like a tablet. The inner display is expected to be around 7.8 inches, while the outer display could be about 5.5 inches, giving you a normal phone experience when closed and a mini tablet when opened. But here's the biggest upgrade. Apple is reportedly focused on making the display almost crease-free. Unlike current foldables, where the fold line is visible, leaks suggest, Apple may have nearly eliminated it using new materials and advanced engineering. Next, let's talk about build quality. Apple is expected to use a titanium frame with a liquid metal hinge, designed to improve durability and reduce wear over time. This is a big deal because durability has been one of the biggest problems with foldable phones so far. Now, moving to performance, this device is expected to run on the new A20 chip, built on an advanced process for better speed and efficiency. Reports also suggest around 12 gigabytes RAM, making it powerful enough to handle multitasking like a tablet. And speaking of multitasking, this is where things get really interesting. According to Bloomberg, the iPhone Fold could introduce iPad-style multitasking, allowing you to run two apps side by side for the first time on an iPhone. Now let's talk about security. Instead of Face ID, Apple may switch to Touch ID in the side button, mainly to save space inside the foldable design. While this sounds like a downgrade, it could actually be more practical for this type of device. Camera-wise, leaks suggest a dual 48MP camera system, focusing more on quality and optimization rather than adding too many lenses. There may also be an under-display front camera on the inside screen and a punch-hole camera on the outside. Battery is another big upgrade. Reports suggest a 5,400 to 5,800 milliamp hours battery, which would make it the largest battery ever in an iPhone. Combined with Apple's efficiency improvements, this could deliver strong battery life despite the large display. Now let's talk price, because this is where things get serious. Most reports suggest the iPhone Fold could cost between $2,000 and $2,500, making it Apple's most expensive iPhone ever. And finally, the release date. Multiple reports indicate a late 2026 launch, likely around September, though some analysts suggest it could be delayed slightly depending on production. Now here's the reality check. Everything we've discussed, design, specs, features, is based on leaks and supply chain reports. Apple has not officially confirmed any of this yet, and plans can still change before launch. Guys, subscribe the Upgrade Zone for next real updates.